So I came here to look for a permanent solution for my eyebrow.
すごくいいです。先生もかっこいいですし、将来的にはヒゲも考えてます。
I was really happy with the result that I finally got an eyebrow, and it really does make me look very different from a lot of angles. And even my wedding planner noticed the changes as well, so I was very happy to share the news as well. So, yep, thank you so much, GLOJAS.
I'm feeling very good. Definitely my confidence has increased these past 3 years because I got the results I wanted from GLOJAS, from Dato Dr. So I really want to thank GLOJAS for all the services, and especially the staff. They were very friendly and helpful throughout my journey.
It's been a year and I'm really happy with the result right now. Thank you to Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and thank you GLOJAS.